Hello guys, this is my new knife that I made it myself and I'm gonna show you around. So this right there, that piece is buffalo horn, one that I used for the cross guard, and also I'm sure you know this is the blade. This pin is for it holds the blade in because the tang follows like this, but there's also some epoxy in there to hold it tightly, and this one is not to hold the tang, it's just for show. This I don't remember what you call English, and it's just the wood that I got, and yeah, that's all.